welcome to Iowa Ranch. Today we are shooting toilet paper.
It's an M17.
No.
It is. No, it's a replica of M17, see?
Alright.
Gun safety.
Never have your gun.
Never pointed at the camera.
Okay.
Okay.
I just see you went through all of them.
It didn't even go through the first one. It's in here somewhere.
It did. It skipped out. Oh, it did. Actually, it did skip out. Did it?
No, it's somewhere
It's
in there.
in there. Oh, I feel it. Yeah, dig it out. You got a knife on you?
No.
I got mine.
Somewhere.
It was you know.
There it is.
Still
Yeah.
intact. You can shoot that again.
Yeah, there you go. Put it back up.
Okay.
Alright, that had some decent penetration for
Let's do the helmet.
Toilet paper.
for toilet or a pellet gun. But we got bigger calibers.
Ruger 22.
10-22.
And this is the. I'm just kidding.
Let's do it.
1022. Okay.
Dang.
Went through all of it.
Went through quite a bit.
Let's find them back up real quick.
One.
Came in number one right here.
Two.
Had a decent size hole coming out. Getting bigger. In here, it's
Entry and exit.
dropping.
And drop fast.
And we got entry and exit.
Making a big hole.
Entry and exit. Entry and exit. And that's where it ends. Where did it go to the table? Did it?
No.
Where'd it go then? Oh wait, it might be.
It's in here.
Wow! Oh, it's probably hot.
Give it to me. Be a man.
So we went through 1, 2,
No, it's
3,
not. It's
4,
on there.
5, 6, 7.
I don't think it's on there.
Right here.
Still intact.
Yeah, just smashed a little bit.
Yep.
Tip's bent.
A little bit of copper off.
Yeah.
On to the next caliber.
It's for Winchester, shooting a 1 ounce slug. Hopefully it doesn't explode.
Oh shit!
Didn't explode! Let's go! Dang, that did some destruction. Oh, you shot the top.
Oh, but that's still cool though.
You
We can shoot it. It's not that bad.
Oh, I went through the table.
Oh shit!
That wasn't that bad.
I aimed too low.
It looks like it rimmed off the table.
It like, my glasses.
Alright. You can't really tell what happened, but...
Just get your goats out here.
Alright, we got some 223s, hollow points. See how far it can make it in the toilet paper. And then we got ourselves some 223s, but it's green tip, so armor piercing. Alright, air from tune, trip it in 223, 556, whatever the heck you want to call it. Yeah, shoot a few things, and then we'll shoot the toilet paper. Oh, it's poopy toilet paper now.
Runner, did you pee?
Runner!
Oh, I didn't get the.
Alright. Mmm, so good.
You're making a mess out here, Cord.
Thank you.
His goats with me.
I would not do that.
Why?
The penetration.
The penetration. That was smooth. I think it went through all of them, but
Going so fast.
so fast it doesn't even move it. Damn, doesn't even change. Yeah, little copper jacket. Here's some more. Actually, I think it just tore it apart.
This is my pellet.
It's not. That's a bullet. Pardon.
It did not stop it.
It won't straight through.
And we got set back up there. Oh, look at that.
Dude,
Oh wait, no, runner did hit it.
Baseball.
Oh yeah, I did hit it.
Yeah, right.
It's just it's so small. This one.
Yeah, look at the exit. Yeah, look at that.
Oh, mine was sideways.
It is. Yeah, because it hit the bottle. Yeah, that was good.
Look how small these holes are in the baseball.
Oh, it did go through?
AR 15, 20.
Yeah,
Two sour bullets.
it's so small. It doesn't look like it went through.
Yeah. Oh, here we go. Let's make it big. Oh, yeah.
That's sideways.
That's sideways.
Yeah.
Just skimmed her. No, I think that's leaving it. It's leaving it.
This one. It went.
Yeah, that one tore apart. I think that was the last one.
Interesting.
Maybe the bolt split in two.
Maybe.
Yeah.
This dude.
Wait, what did you say?
He said, yeah. America. Alright, we're shooting the helmet. Pop it. You got it. There you go.
Oh yeah. Oh shit, how should I do this?
I'm not back up.
Why are you laughing?
Nothing.
Hey,
Go ahead, shoot.
dude, is it gonna...
It's not gonna ricochet back.
Stop laughing. Hey.
I can't hold my breath any longer, dude.
You keep on laughing, I can't.
Dang! I think you missed, but
I missed. I went through there. I went through the eye.
you didn't even hit the helmet.
It's because I went through, look, I went through here. Man, I can shoot it again.
Take a drink.
Whoa, look at the exit. It's so small.
That's the entry.
Oh,
that's the
oh.
this kid. All right. You ever watch Demolition Rain?
Going to the side. Here. Destroyed those. This is Ghana.
Started rising actually.
Sideways, kind of.
What's that?
Shooting 270 now. See how crappy the tip paper can do now.
Without any sights.
Yeah. No scope, no nothing. Looking at the barrel.
.270 right there.
Looks like it came out the top.
Yeah. Burn marks.
Yeah.
Oh, it's still pretty good without sights.
I may or may not have did something.
What? Real mature.
This dude. What?
Oh! I actually didn't notice it.
Alright, we did this to allow max penetration. Like, it's the best way you can get penetration. Not allowed.
Yeah.
I don't know, I think, dude.
Shut up.
It's not working very good lately. Just. Wait, we had to figure it out.
30-06 chambered in. 30-06. There we go.
Dang.
Oh, I didn't have my hair.
Just
Yeah, that's nice and smooth all the way
Nice smooth entry hole. That's nice.
through all of them.
Got the shaving cream. I went through all of them.
We should check them. No, we put a shaving cream at the end and. That puppy.
Here it is. That's not it.
That's not the one.
That's
I know.
it. Where is the one?
Is that it?
Right there.
Is it?
Yeah.
Oh
No, it's not. That's the one from earlier. That's on my fingernail.
no, this is the one.
No.
Oh, it's this one.
Yeah, it's not.
Oh yeah.
It flung it all the way over here. Emptied it out.
Where we go? 60. I cleared it.
My 270 would have done that if I had sights. I'll just shoot guns now. Threw shaving cream all the way back here from over there.
No, that was from me.
Renner, shut up. Shove it in.
This way, right?
Shove it in! Oh my. This dude.
What?
Race.
Hold on, I gotta take my hat off. I can't see.
Not a real gun, man.
I can't see.
And his dad's a cop. That's the sad part.
2 hours later.
I missed it. I mean, I hit it, but like I missed it. Or did I hit it?
It doesn't look like it.
I think
my
you shot
God,
way
no.
over the break. You hit it right here.
Oh, okay. I thought it was okay.
Came out right there.
That one.
That one's not a very big hole.
Oh yeah, shoot something bigger.
I thought it. Yeah, gotta get the 50 cal out. Alright, so, you know, it's not a Iowa Ranch video without a 50 cal. You gotta have a 50 B&G. So here, it's like, you don't have a 50.
We're broke.
What?
We're broke.
Yeah, we're broke. Yeah. Oh yeah! You see me rolling.
Got
down
the
on
top
the
of it.
core. Looks like a track. It's because what it is.
You got the top of it. This one.
Tastes good?
Tastes like brownie.
That did some damage.
Oh,
Look at that penetration.
that hole. Yeah, you would have been dead. Well, yeah, we'll just go with that. His dad's a cop. That's the sad part.